Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So last week we talked about the Blackstone and I made some of those smash burgers, that feta cheese smash burger. Take these and squish. Absolutely fantastic. Get out of here, flies. And this week I went out to the store and I picked up some wild caught Mahi Mahi, and I really want to use the Blackstone's air fryer attachment on this and see how we do. So come on with me. Let's see how we put this together. But guys, I want to, real quick, I want to show you something. I just saw this. Guys, look at the juice. Oh, look at that juice in there. And fuck you too, bird. All right, over here we have a plug. And we'll just go ahead and plug it right on in. This is the only thing. The air fryer, it is gas, but it needs electric because it has a fan. And you just flip that switch to on. Fan is on. All right. Come over here. We're going to turn the dial. And this is low, medium, and all the way up here is high. Click the clicker, and it should be lit. Stick your hand in there, and you can feel the heat coming out. All right, so we'll let that heat up. While that's heating up, we'll come over here and we're going to season up the Mahi Mahi. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and season up this Mahi Mahi. Whenever you're doing fish, anytime any fish you're cooking, you got to make sure that you dry your fish off before you try to cook with it. If you don't, bad things happen. It won't flake, and the seasoning won't stick to it. And the roosters won't like it, apparently. All right, just pat it dry like that. All right, now I have never had Mahi Mahi before. I myself love fish, all kinds of fish. Nobody living here in the house likes fish except for me, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of money and get a whole bunch of it, so I only got 2 for myself. Now, I've already set the Blackstone to medium low. I don't want it too hot in there. I want it right around 350 degrees. But first thing we need to do is we need to put a little bit of oil on it. And the oil is going to be our binder for our seasoning. And it's also going to help crisp up the outside just a little bit. Today's seasoning we're going to be using, I love this stuff. It's called Feisty Lime. It's an all-purpose seasoning and it goes great on fish. First side's done. Roll it on the side here. Make sure you get all the sides. All right, side, flip it over, rinse and repeat. Neighbors' kids are out there having a good time today. Now today try that again. Today I am using some avocado oil. I love avocado oil, especially for fish. Okay, we're gonna let these sit for a few minutes and throw them inside the air fryer. All right, let's get these in the air fryer. This is the frying area. This one here is what they call the warmer. It keeps everything warm. Right on in. I'll go long ways. Going this way, they're a little bit too long. This way, they're perfect. All right, 3 to 5 minutes on each side or until done. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes. Go ahead and pull these out. Oh my goodness. Guys, will you look at that? Oh, man. All right, get you in here close. Look at that. Oh, yeah. They are looking perfect. These are looking absolutely fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and flip them over a little. I think another 3 more minutes and they will be good to go. In the meantime, I'm going to bring you over and we're going to make a salad to go with this. But do they not look fantastic? Oh, and they're already starting to flake. I love that. They're starting to split and flake. Alrighty, everyone. So for our salad today, we're just going to keep it simple. We got a red onion. Very simple, guys. Make them as thin as you can. If you have a mandolin, that would be great. Best part about doing cooking outside, you can throw your scraps right off over the deck. All right. I have here some fresh outdoor cherry tomatoes or plum tomatoes. I'm just going to split them and then quarter them. Hey, did you know that, guys? Fun fact, that tomatoes, you cannot feed tomatoes to your chickens. I did not know that. For the life of me, I cannot remember what they said, why you can't do that. Nightshade, part of the nightshade family. And it can make your chicken sick. All right. I got here some romaine lettuce. I'm going to chop it up. Don't throw the heart away, guys. You can actually replant the heart, or you can feed it to your chickens. They love romaine lettuce. All right. Salad, lettuce, tomato, onion. I think a salad in the summertime is just perfect. Mediterranean style feta cheese. Go ahead and say a quarter cup. All right. To that, I'm going to put some of this Ken's Steakhouse sweet Vidalia onion dressing. I love this salad dressing. It's so, so good. All right. Put a little bit of that in there. Let's pull that fish out and see how it looks. I went ahead and got a little smart and got myself a spatula and a fork. All right, pardon that interruption there. Apparently someone decided to call 911 for a fire. And ambulances and fire trucks and everything making all kind of hellish noises. All right, go ahead and pull this fish out and see how we did. That smells so good. That color from that feisty lime, and they are cooked to perfection. 3 minutes each side, 6 minutes total. Let's have a taste test and see how we did. Sorry, I'm the only one doing the camera today, so you're going to have to take my word for it, me taking a bite. All right, that looks like a perfect bite. Cheers, everyone. Let's see how we did. Wow. Mahi Mahi is definitely one of my next favorite fish to eat. And that feisty lime, oh, so good. Let's have a try. Oh, look at it. Look at it flake apart, guys. Look at that flake. If you don't live by the shore and you can't catch dolphin, Mahi Mahi, go to your supermarket, go to your fishmonger, and order yourself some Mahi Mahi and do it up like this. That feisty lime, guys, go out and get yourself an air fryer or the Blackstone with the air fryer attachment. I'm telling you, world of difference. All right, let's get this in a salad here. Let's have this with a salad and see how we did. But guys, I want to, real quick, I want to show you something. I just saw this. Guys, look at the juice. Oh, look at that juice in there. So perfect. I love fish with a little bit of juice. Oh, so good. All right, let's have a taste test with everything. Alrighty, everyone, let's have a taste test, everything together. Get tomato, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of onion, a little bit of that seasoning, feta cheese. Cheers, everyone. See how we did. Oh, yeah. Absolutely, guys. That's how you want to make it. Put it in a salad. It is so, so good. Guys, I really hope you enjoy watching. Stay tuned next week. I'm doing something a little bit unusual as I did this week. Next week, I am going to be making a pulled chuck roast casserole. Yes, pulled chuck roast casserole. I got a chuck roast. I'm going to smoke it until it's tender and falling apart flaky. And then we got some baby potatoes. We're going to cook them down. A little bit of butter and a little bit of seasoning. And then we're going to put everything inside of a casserole dish. Layer some cheese on it. Oh, it's going to be epically delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy watching, liking, and subscribing. And please, check me out next week for that video coming up. Until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.